In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Wealthfront account permanently in 2025. Closing an online account can sometimes seem tricky or overwhelming, especially when you're not sure where to start. So let's break down the process step by step to ensure it's as straightforward as possible for you. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wealthfront website. You can do this by simply entering their URL into your web browser or using a search engine to find Wealthfront. Once you're on their homepage, look towards the top or bottom of the page for the Help Center link. Clicking on this will direct you to a comprehensive resource page where many of your account management needs can be addressed. Once you've entered the Help Center, you'll see several categories listed. Look for the one labeled Cash Accounts. This is where you'll find specific information related to your cash management account, including how to close it. Click on this section to proceed. Next, you'll want to navigate to the option that says Manage Your Account. This section is the key to accessing various settings related to managing and potentially closing your account. After clicking on this, you will be directed to another page that gives you the option to close your cash account. Click on this link, which will provide detailed instructions and considerations for closing your Wealthfront account. Now, for those who are not already logged in, you'll need to do so at this point. Log into your Wealthfront account using your credentials. If you're using the mobile app, follow the same steps there to ensure consistency across platforms. Once logged in, locate and select your cash account from your home dashboard. It should be easy to find since it will be prominently displayed. By clicking or tapping on it, you'll be taken to your account's main interface, where you can manage various aspects of it. In the Management section, look towards the top right corner for an option labeled Manage. Select this to gain further account settings visibility. Afterwards, scroll to the very bottom of the page where you'll find an option labeled Start Account Closure. Selecting this option begins the process. Follow the subsequent prompts that appear on your screen. These prompts are designed to guide you through the necessary steps, ensuring that the closure is completed correctly. Be sure to read each prompt carefully and provide the necessary information when requested. And that's it. You've successfully begun the process of closing your Wealthfront account. It's always essential to gather any important data or statements from your account before closure, as access might be restricted afterward. If you face any issues or need further assistance, the Wealthfront support team is typically ready to help through their customer service resources. Thank you for following this guide, and I hope this walkthrough made the process easy and seamless for you.